Hey guys, so I bought a car wash and I'm going to show you how much money it made. This is one of my largest vacuums. It's overflowing. Let's dump it in here. And this is the other vacuum. Quite a bit of money in here. This is my scented car fresheners. And quite a bit of money. Let's dump it in here. This is my bill collector. Good chunk of change here. It's time to go to the bank. Let's go. Run it through the machine. Ended up with $773 out of both bill collectors. Time for the change. I got up to about $450 before the machine filled up, and I had to literally call an attendant over and they ran out of bags. So like for part 2 if you want to see the total, and click the link in my bio.